Hey, what's up everybody? I hope y'all are doing well. My name's Anthony and today we're going to talk about squab. Let's get started. This is going to be a really impromptu video. This is one of those really quick ones. I'm on my cell phone, but I saw this thing and I really wanted to show y'all what exactly it is. For those of you who are in a city environment or a suburb environment, you can still survive with wild meat. You just may not be able to use large game. You can still use small game. Right behind me is what's called a pigeon house. And they used to do this way back when in South Carolina, where they would have this house and little cutouts for pigeons to go in. Now, at first I thought this was just carrier pigeons, but in reality, what it really is a pigeon house for people to go in and eat squab. Now, what exactly is squab? Squab is the infantile or non-flight pigeons. So you go in there before they can start flying and boom, you got yourself a meal. It's actually considered a delicacy. I know it's kind of barbaric, but it's one of those things a lot of people don't understand and have forgotten. So while we may not be doing this in the rural parts of South Carolina anymore, this can still be done in a city environment where you can't really get any kind of meat. So if something happened tomorrow and you live in a city, say New York City, Washington, D.C., something of the sort, and you want to be able to get some food, boom, build you a pigeon house, encourage pigeons to go in and lay their little eggs, sit on them, and boom, in a couple weeks, you might be able to get yourself some meat and a constant source of meat. Just an idea for those of you who may not have the idea to get meat in the city and don't want to eat rat. But this is survival we're talking about here, so that's why I wanted to go ahead and give you the option here. And since this is one of like two left in the state, I really wanted to show y'all. If you're in South Carolina and you want to see this thing in person, go to the Lexington County Museum. It's awesome and the story is great. I highly advise you pay for the tour. If you learned something from this video, please give me that thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll catch y'all later, okay? Bye.